Today's story is going to be Beep Beep, Go to Sleep. Three little robots, time for bed. Time to dim your infrared. Brush your rotors round and round. Clean your shields. And power down. Quiet at last, not a peep. Three little robots are beep, beep. That's not a sleeping sound. They're turning the lights on. Is something wrong? I need my coil. My sensor aches. I want more oil. Better now? Then rest your head. Three little robots back to bed. Quiet at last, not a peep. Three little robots are beep, beep. That's not a sleeping sound. What is it now? I need a light. My fan belt's loose. My bolt's too tight. I think some parents might know what this boy's going through right now. I know I do. Oh, quiet at last and not a peep. Three little robots are. Do you think they're finally asleep? Beep, beep. Robots, are you still awake? Engines off, for goodness sake. No more beeping, no more talking, no more squeaking, no more squawking. No more blipping, blinking, boinking, winking, whirring, squirking, oinking. Oinking. Go to sleep. Oh, quiet at last and not a peep. Three little robots are. Beep, beep. What now? You need what? Oh, a bedtime story. Somewhere there are robots beeping, buzzing, bouncing, squawking, squeaking, blipping, bopping, blinking, boinking, winking, whirring, even oinking. But not these robots snuggle deep. They finally put their boy to sleep. The end.